Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. We are in the lesson Flying Together. We are coming to the ending, children. With this video, we are going to close this lesson. So Flying Together, open your textbook, children. I hope you wrote the correct answers for the prepositions. Okay children, let us see. Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. Okay. See children, page number 37. Please check the answers whether they are right or wrong. Please, if they are wrong means you please correct them. Okay. See children, first question. This tree was the home of a flock of a wild geese. Flock. Home of a flock of wild geese. Of. Okay. Next question. This one already done for you children. So next. He noticed the creeper dash foot of the tree. So what is the preposition? Correct preposition here? At. What is the right answer children? At the foot of the tree. Okay. At the foot of the tree. It shows the position. Next. It would be a pity dash destroy it now. It would be a pity to destroy it now. First they thought like this only. All the geese thought that it would be pity, it would be sorry if we destroy that small creeper. Okay, so to is the preposition. Next one. As they flew dash the tree, they were trapped. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They were trapped in the net. Okay, so into is the preposition we use there. Okay, next fifth one. The boy ran with the dog. The boy ran with the dog. So the boy ran with the dog. Next question. The frogs jumped into the well. The frogs jumped into the well. The girl was thrilled to see her new cycle. To see her new bicycle. Okay, the girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. 2. The birds were caught dash the net. In the net. In the net. The children walked on the bridge. On the bridge. So see children, we have total 9 questions. Okay, one question already done for you. The tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Next one. He noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. At is the right answer. It would be a pity to destroy it now. 2 is the right answer. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Into is the right answer. The boy ran with the dog. With is the right answer. The frogs jumped into the well. Into is the right answer. The girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. 2 is the right preposition. The birds were caught in the net. In is the right preposition. The children walked on the bridge. On is the right preposition. So see children, this model completed. Let us see the next model from the next page. 38th page. Open page number 38th page children. So complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. Here in the box some words are given. Around, across, with, along, to, after, next to, into, from. All these words were given. So now you have to complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. So see children, one day as I was walking dash the bank of the river. So what is the right preposition here? Along. So one day as I was walking along the bank of the river, I saw my friend running across the field. He was calling my name and waving to me. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. He said, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving to that house? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks from him. So in the paragraphs there are so many blanks given. Okay, here suitable words are also given in that box children. So around, across, with, along, to, after, next to, into, from. So we have to write them correctly children. So one day as I was walking, along is the right answer. Along the bank of the river. Along. I saw my friend running across the field. Across the field. He was calling my name and waving to me. Waving to me. 2. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. Where? He said, I went all around the town looking for you. Around. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving to that house too? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks from him. So this is the model, children, 4th Roman. Okay. So next Roman, children, fill in the blanks given below with question words. For example, where do you live? Okay, where? Yes, questioning word. I already told you, we did already this exercise, children. So where, when, how, what, when, why, all these are questioning words. So use the correct word and write. So dash do you play? When do you play or where do you play? Both are correct. Okay. Dash do you get up? When do you get up? Okay, when do you get up? Next, what do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Which do you like the best in the school games? Art or music? Which? Okay, it's an option, no, children. That's why which is the right answer. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Okay, what do you want for your birthday? What do you want for your birthday? So all these are questioning words, children. So where do you play? When do you get up? What do you have for breakfast? How do you go to school? Which do you like the best in the school games? Art or music? When is your birthday? What do you want for your birthday? Okay, so all these are questioning words. Okay, I hope your answers are right, children. Now see, children, reference to context, page number 39. This is the last exercise in your textbook. Okay, here in the first paragraph, well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be pity to destroy it now. That's the first paragraph. Second, this is where the wild geese live. This is second one. So now, first question, who said this? From the first, you have to write the first answer. From the second, you have to write this answer. Okay, who said this? Who said this? Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be pity to destroy it now. Who said this, children? Yes, the geese said that. Oh, this is where the wild geese live. Who said this? The hunter. Hunter came, no, children. The hunter told that. To whom was it said? To whom was it said? The geese said to whom? To the wise old bird. Okay, then the hunter said to whom? To himself. The hunter said to himself. He said himself that this is the wild geese live. When was it said? When was it said? When the old bird told them that a hunter could climb and kill them. When the old bird told no, hunter will come one day and climb it. At that time, these geese told to the old bird. Okay. Then this one, when the hunter came to the race. Yeah, he came for hunting, no, children. At that time, he told. So, while there is no hurry, the creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. So, this is where the wild geese live. These are the two paragraphs given. So, from these questions are common. Who said this? So, first question to first paragraph, the geese. Second to the second paragraph. So, the hunter. Here, to whom was it said? To the old bird. Here, to himself. When was it said? When the old bird told them that a hunter could climb them and kill them. When the hunter came to the race. So, with this, we are going to conclude the total lesson, children. So, please read each and every line from the textbook. Read the question and answers. Write in your running notes. Read them clearly. Okay. So, see, children, I am going to call you and I am going to check whether you have read it or not. So, please, children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So, let us meet in the next video. Thank you all.